Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Photos. Google.com with the Google account you want to use. Once signed in, make sure you know available storage percentage and whether to free up space. This matters because uploads stop when you hit the limit. Next, enable backup for any local folders you'll use. If you prefer file sync, install Drive for desktop. Once done, open the Upload menu or drag files from Finder or File Explorer to start transferring photos. This is the first actionable step. Once your initial uploads appear, you'll organize to make future access fast. Create albums and add photos by selecting items, then click Add to Album. This groups shots logically. Make sure to pick Upload Quality in Settings, Original if you need full resolution, or Storage Saver to conserve space, because that affects future editing and prints. Use face grouping, locations, and descriptive text to make search work for you. Also, enable Upload from device folders if you want automatic import from specific folders. To finish, share and sync so your photos are useful everywhere. You can create shareable links or set up a shared library with another account. Make sure to set permissions properly. For continuous sync, use Drive for desktop so edits and new files mirror between your laptop and Google Photos. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Confirm your storage isn't full, verify supported file types, and test your internet speed. If uploads stall, clear browser cache or restart the Drive app. This usually resolves common sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.